Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the RETEVIS Ham Radio live stream. I'm Harry, and I'm really excited to share the Ailunce HA2 with you today. And thank you all for joining. In today's stream, we'll take a close look at this powerful radio, the Ailunce HA2. It's a major upgrade from the already excellent HA1 UV, while keeping the classic strengths of the HA1 UV like IP67 waterproofing, a large battery, and a rugged design. It also adds a bunch of practical features that meet today's user needs. Hello, hi, Umesh, and advanced functions like Bluetooth programming, APRS, and GNSS make the HA2 even more valuable. And whether you are out exploring, camping, or involved in emergency response, the HA2 delivers stable and reliable communication. And what's more, the HA2 recently got a firmware and Bluetooth upgrade, so it now supports case TNC function. We'll be showing you how that works during today's live stream. Okay, before we dive into the powerful features of the Ailunce HA2, let's take a look at its design. Okay, this one. The HA2 keeps the classic look of the HA1 UV, built with durable ABS material. The sleek black body gives it a solid, rugged feel ready for extreme environments. On the top, you can see the antenna here and the power knob. Okay, here. This knob isn't just for turning the radio on and off. It also makes adjusting the volume really easy. Just use the knob to adjust the volume. Okay, and next to is a channel knob, letting you quickly switch in channels or frequencies, and it also works smoothly in the menu. There's also an orange TK button here, which you can customize, perform different functions for quick access. Okay, you will notice a small indicator light as well here, and which shows both signal and power status. When receiving a signal, it lights up green, and when transmitting, it turns red. During charging, it also shows red to indicate battery status. Okay, moving to the left side, there are 3 buttons here. Okay, there are 3 buttons. On the top is a large green PPT button here with a non-slip design, so it works even if you are wearing gloves. Below that are 2 customable sidekicks, which you can set to perform different functions with short or long presses, making operation flexible and convenient. On the right side, there are moto-style accessory ports that supports headphones, microphones, and programming cables covering different usage scenarios. On the back, here you can see you can find the standard Type-C charging dock contacts for fast charging, so the device can quickly power up and stay ready for work. And there's also a charger space for the charging station right here. So how do you use it? It's super simple. I'm going to walk you through the key highlights of the Ailunce HA2, starting with its Bluetooth wireless program feature. With Bluetooth, you can easily connect the HA2 to your smartphone. No need for traditional programming cables. In just a few seconds, you can set up channel and sync data, which greatly simplifies the process and saves valuable time. This feature not only boosts efficiency, but also makes device management much more convenient, especially for outdoor adventures, field activities, or any situation where quick adjustments are needed. So how do you use it? Open the HA2 menu here and scroll to the button, and you'll see a QR code. Let me see. Okay. And you can see a QR code here. Here you can see a QR code, and scan it to download the RETEVIS app, and you're ready to start Bluetooth programming. The RETEVIS app is a powerful tool designed specifically for RETEVIS radios, fully replacing the traditional USB programming cable. It allows you to do basic tasks like reading, writing frequencies, and naming channels, and even lets you pair up to 5 devices, saving separate frequency profiles for each and easily copy channel settings to a new device. This makes managing multiple devices much more efficient, perfect for team operations or outdoor activities. In short, the HA2 Bluetooth wireless program saves time, makes operation easier, and frees you from the hassle of cables, giving you more flexibility and efficiency. Okay, now I'll play a short video to show you exactly how to use the HA2's Bluetooth programming features.
Video, the HA2 was available as a device in the Android version of this app, with iOS support coming towards the end of January 2026. Now, the mobile application uses Bluetooth, and of course you need to make sure Bluetooth is turned on the radio before attempting to connect. But once connected, you can read the HA2's data back to the device and, well, start editing it. There are some strange quirks with the app, which of course could change as time goes on. Like when it comes to editing a channel memory, you're only presented with the channel number, which could be an issue if you want to edit a specific channel, which is amongst hundreds of others. In fact, when you go into the zone settings and select the memories within that zone, the channel name does appear, which I think should be the same when actually editing the channels. Now, all in all, it's not a bad application, and most of us do have mobile phones in our back pockets these days, so programming on the go is super convenient with this RETEVIS app. Of course, the other external way in which to program the radio is with the Windows application, and this time you need to use a programming cable, which essentially provides a COM port. It would have been nice though for the computer programming support to be provided with a direct USB-C connection. This would not only save time and money on purchasing a separate programming cable, but reading and writing speeds would also not be limited. We've seen other radios in the past which support USB-C programming directly on the radio, and reading and writing was lightning quick. So I have no idea why that is not included on all modern day radios now. However, the Windows application does appear to work okay without any crashing, well, at least for me. I even used ChatGPT to create an import channel file in a CSV format, and well, that even worked as well. Now, one of the settings you can only change on the software is the APRS Smart Type options. Here you can configure each type with a low speed, a slow rate, turn angle, etc, etc. So if you're going to use the Smart feature on the APRS beaconing, then it's well worth using the Windows software to configure this first.
Okay, so the video shows two types of programming, the Bluetooth type and the traditional wired PC program. So you can see just how convenient Bluetooth wireless programming is on the Ailunce HA2. It allows easy device setup and management, eliminating the need for traditional cables and boosting both efficiency and ease for use. Okay, next I want to highlight the latest upgrade for the HA2. It now supports KISS TNC. So what is the KISS TNC? It stands for Keep It Simple Stupid Terminal Node Controller. In simple terms, it lets your radio act as a direct APRS data modem. So you can connect it to apps like APRS Store or other digital software via Bluetooth or cable. This gives you more flexibility for APRS messaging and live GPS position reporting, external mapping and tracking apps, and digital packet radio workflows. This upgrade improves compatibility with modern APRS setups, making the HA2 even more powerful for field use and real-world communication. So next, let's watch a short video showing how to perform this upgrade. Okay.
New Bluetooth KISS TNC feature now available on HA2. Today, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade the Bluetooth firmware on the Ailunce HA2. First, you need to turn on the Bluetooth on both HA2 and your phone, then download the RETEVIS OTA software. You can find the download link in the description below. Now, open the app and connect it with your HA2. Once connected, tap the upgrade button. Just wait for 1 minute until the upgrade is complete. Now, after your HA2 is restarted, you can check the Bluetooth function again. Go to the menu, Radio Information. You can find the Bluetooth is already the latest version. And you can try the new features now. Now, let me show you how to use the KISS TSE feature via APRS Droid. First, turn on Bluetooth and set the Bluetooth call to KISS TSE. Then switch on APRS and check your call sign and SSID. Don't forget to check whether your phone is already connected to the HA2 via Bluetooth. After opening the app, tap Preferences, enter your call sign, and set your SID to handheld radio. Then tap Connection Preferences. Set the connection protocol to TSE KISS, connection type to Bluetooth SBP, and select the device you want to connect. Finally, go back and make sure your voice frequency is set the same as your radio. Now all settings are complete. Let's start tracking. You can see that APRS Droid has received the latest information. Tap to view all the records. In addition, you can also check the device's location and track on the map. Did you get it? Let's give it a try together.
Okay, this function is a little bit complicated, right? But don't worry, we already post this video to our YouTube channel. Okay, you can see it on our YouTube account. After watching, you should have a good understanding of this feature. The video is also available on our account, so you can just visit our profile to watch it and upgrade your HA2. And finally, let's take a look at the Ailunce HA2's waterproof feature. The HA2 meets the IP67 standard, which means it's not only highly water resistant, but also effectively protected against dust and other small particles, ensuring reliable performance in all kinds of the environments. Specifically, the HA2 can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes without any issues. Its dust protection is also excellent, capable of keeping all particles as small as 0.1 microns. This feature is especially important for outdoor activities, whether it's raining, in humid conditions, or dusty environments. The HA2 stays stable and reliable. So next, let's watch a video where we put the HA2 so waterproof and freezing test to see how it performs.
Sweeping across various regions, and many people are facing the threat of extreme cold. When extreme weather disrupts power and communication, reliable equipment is your only lifeline. Today, we're putting the HA2 through the storm's tests: water immersion and freezing. First is waterproofing. Snowmelt or rainwater may occur during a storm. The HA2 has an IP67 waterproof, and will submerge it in water for 2 minutes to see if it still works. It is still operational, and all functions are unaffected. Next is low temperature. The extreme cold brought by the storm is enough to make many devices fail. We will bury the HA2 in the snow to test. After 2 minutes of freezing, it still works perfectly. This is the HA2 with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, built for extreme environments. A reliable emergency communication tool. Equip yourself with the HA2 and be ready for any weather.
Okay, next, let's dive deeper into the extra advantages of the Ailunce HA2. Beyond the 3 main features we've already covered, this radio comes with many impressive functions to help you operate efficiently in a variety of complex scenarios. Okay, the first, the HA2 has 1,024 channels, 1,024. So you don't have to worry about frequency congestion or interference. In traditional radio communication, frequent channel conflicts can slow down your task, but with 1,024 channels, you can always find a clear one. Whether you are in a busy city or a challenging environment, this makes it perfect for long-scale environments, outdoor adventures, or multiple team operations, ensuring stable and reliable communication while minimizing interruptions. And next is battery performance. The HA2 has a built-in 2,800 milliamp hours high-performance battery, offering up to 77 hours of standby time. Whether you are on a long outdoor adventure or in an emergency rescue operation, you can rely on continuous communication. It also supports fast charging in under 4.5 hours, so you can quickly get back to full power when needed. On top of that, there are 3 intelligent power saving modes that let you manage battery use efficiency, keeping the radio operational for extended periods. Okay, and finally, the HA2 supports Bluetooth headphones and wireless microphones, making communication more flexible and convenient, especially in challenging or harsh environments. With Bluetooth, you are free from cable restrictions, keeping communication smooth and clear. Whether in noisy workplace or situations that requires hands-free operation, this feature ensures you can communicate efficiently and comfortably. Okay, now I hope you now have a full understanding of the Ailunce HA2 powerful capabilities. And if you decide to get your own HA2, today is the perfect opportunity. I'll post a purchase link in the comments. Just click to buy. Okay, now we are posting the link for you. Okay, please see the link in the comment section. This link are just for you now and just for this live stream. Okay, if you decide to buy, just order from the link now. And now I have a surprise for you. We are running a community event in our Facebook group called RETEVIS Ham Radio User Club. In this group, over the next month, we'll post a ham radio question every day. Answer correctly to earn points, which you can redeem for RETEVIS prizes, including the HA2 I just introduced. It's totally free if you earn enough points. Okay, the group has all the details about the event, and it's super simple to join. I'll drop the link in the comments, so click it to join the RETEVIS Ham Radio User Club and start participating. Okay. I'll paste the link in the comment section now, and I'll show you this how to join the activity and join the user club. Okay. Okay. Just search the RETEVIS Ham Radio User Club. I'll paste the name here, or you can just click the link. It's a Facebook group. Okay. In this group, you can see the full detail of this activity. You can see. Okay. Okay. Here you can see the group, and you can see we already started this activity. You can answer a question each day, and you will earn points. And here is the full details. Here is the full details about the activity. Now, just click this link to sign up, and after you sign up, you can join this activity. It's almost the whole April with these activities. Okay, we have one, the community challenges and rewards, and two, the ham quiz context, and three, the live broadcast event. We have this activity, and you have chance to earn your own HA2 or HA1 UV. Okay. Okay, that's the end of today's live stream, and thank you for your support. Don't forget to join our RETEVIS Ham Radio User Club. Okay, and see you next time. Bye.